Now the French drain is completely piped up all the way to the corner, all the way to the dry well. As you can see, I am downhill to level. So everything is just gonna go, build up, holes down. Again, we do the holes down for the simple fact of you don't want the water to have to build up before it transfers to the dry well. You want it to go ahead, and as soon as it starts to build up at all, move it directly to the dry well. And then when it's done, it can actually seep into the ground. Otherwise, you have water stuck in the pipe because the holes are up and nothing can drain out. But now, time to backfill with rock.